Hey, what's up? I'm Courtney and welcome to my channel. So I did want to take a little pause really quick and just address the fact that I have been gone for I don't know how long, but y'all, I'm back. So I'm about to be making videos on my channel consistently, and today I'm just going to start off with something really simple, really easy, something that can teach y'all a little thing or two if you don't know how to do this already. But yeah, I'm back and I'm super excited, and so if you want to see how I customize and bleach my closure, stay tuned. Okay, so for the wig that I'm making now, I'm basically just doing a 4x4 closure wig, and so that's what I'm using, a 4x4 closure, lace closure, and I'm just using some bleach. I'm using quick blue, some 40 volume developer, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and mix it all up in a bowl with one of those little brush stick things. And then I got a spray bottle of some water, and I basically just use that for whenever I mess up. Like if I get some bleach on the hair, I just spray some water on there real quick, or to spray down the little baby hairs so they don't get in the way. And so right now I'm just about to mix up the bleach and the God damn it, the bleach and the developer in the bowl so that I can put it on my lace closure. And so I'm gonna just speed that up and y'all can see what I'm doing. Like I said, I don't know if I said this, but this is not a tutorial, so I'm not about to go step by step showing you how to do this. It's really simple. There's tons of videos out here on how to do this. Okay, so this is the consistency that I like to use. It's not too thick, not too loose. It won't seep through the lace, and it also won't be hard to spread, you know, with it being too thick. Alright, so now, like I said before, I just like to spray down the baby hairs so that they aren't in the way, because I have before, like, I would, you know, keep the baby hairs up or out, whatever, and then bleach the knots, and then my baby hairs would end up getting bleached, and I ain't like that. So I just go ahead and spray that down and brush those out the way. But that's the closure is super slick, super laid down, no flyaways, you know, everything perfect. Now I can start on the process of putting the bleach on the closure. Okay, so now I'm ready to start putting the bleach onto the closure. And so the way I do this, I just like to gently go across the closure with the bleach. I don't like to press hard at all. The reason is because anytime you press too hard, you know, you can get that bleach on the hair, and we don't want to do that. So I just go in there and gently brush the bleach across the closure. So once I am done putting the bleach onto the closure, I do like to go ahead and just inspect it and just make sure I don't have any bleach on any of the hair. And if I do, then I'll go in with my spray bottle, like I said before, and just spray that off so that it will stop the process of the bleach from bleaching the hair. So now I'm just showing y'all that I do have some left over, which is totally fine. And that's cool, because you know, I like to have some left over just in case I do need to bleach my closure again, because sometimes that does happen. And in this case, I definitely did have to bleach that closure again. But as for now, I'm just going to let that sit for about 15 to 30 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I'm done bleaching my closure, I did have to do it a couple times. But the second time, I believe I only did it, left it on there for about 10 minutes. The first time I left it on there for about 30 minutes. But now I'm just going to go ahead and brush back the hair, comb it out, and then pin everything down so that it is stable on the mannequin head. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some water and just completely drench the closure. And then I'll take my, what do you call that thing? What is that thing called? What the hell? My tweezer. I'm going to take my tweezer and I'm going to tweeze. What the heck? But yeah, I'm just showing y'all what the hair look like now, and then I'm gonna get started on plucking the hair. Alright, so I'm pretty much done. I'm just going and finishing up the middle part, since this will be a middle part unit, and then just getting any leftover excess hair out from me plucking. So this is how my closure turned out. I really love it. Hopefully it looks good when I put it on, but stay tuned for that video so you can find out. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.